Ghana police are currently trending. When I mean trending, I mean they are massively trending because of this act. Okay, sit back like the king and the queen that you are. Let me explain everything to you, okay? So I'm going to read exactly what I saw on Ghana Police Service page on Facebook, okay? It will be here, right here for you to also read along. According to Ghana Police Service, police hand over found bag containing cash of 85,000 Ghana cedis to the owner. Where on earth have you ever seen this happening? Let's not even go to Nigeria. I always bring Nigeria into conversation like this because I've never seen it happen and I would love to see it happen. That's the reason why. And again, I'm a Nigerian, so don't come here and be telling me something I do not know. Guys, let's keep reading. The Bono East Regional Police Command, Teshiman, received a found bag containing cash amounting to 85,000 Ghana cedis on February 14 on Valentine's Day 2026 at approximately 4:20 hours. I don't know if this 4:20 hours, 4:20 hours, that would be like 4 p.m. or something. It cannot be 4 a.m. It should be around 4 p.m. or something. I'm not really sure if it's a.m. or p.m., but I'm reading what I saw here. The attention of the police officer on duty at the police snap checkpoint on the Teshiman Kumasi Highway was drawn to a bag which had possibly fallen off a moving vehicle and was laying on the roadside. The bag bore the name Ofori and a phone number written on it. The duty officer, led by Inspector George Appiah, with 3 others, took the bag and realized it contained money. The officers dutifully handed over the bag to the regional command for investigation. The contact number on the bag was called, and 53-year-old businessman from Ashtown, I don't know where that is, but it is written that in Kumasi, who identified himself as Stephen Ofori, responded. He later reported to the check to claim ownership of the bag. Where on earth have you ever heard something like this happening? Where? Where? Only in Ghana this can happen. A police officer, like not even 1. 3, is it 4? Plus the other one who picked it. 4 police officers saw bag containing 85,000 Ghana cedis. Do you know? do you know how much that money is? You know, Ghana cedis is more than Naira. It has value than Naira now. Yes, it's more than Naira, because when you work in Ghana, like you get 1,000 cedis and you send it to Nigeria, the person in Nigeria will get about 1,000 something, like 100 and something thousand, and it's big money in Nigeria. So people that are working here in Ghana are cashing out big time. Like it's like Ghana is the UK of Nigeria, or should I say of Africa? No doubt. Any country you go and work, send it home, then the money become huge. It's a good country. That means the economy is good. Everything, they work well. So do you know how much that 85,000 Ghana cedis is? It can get a house. I mean, a house in a very prominent area here in Ghana, if you guys don't know, in Accra, to be precise. And police officer resend the money. But when it comes to Nigeria, now to collect money, 50 naira, 100 naira. Now they've retired. They don't take 15 naira, 100 naira. Now from 200, because now country hard. They don't upgrade. So do you think a Nigerian police officer will see something like this and carry it back to the owner? Eh? The person will be like, as I see the money, now I will share them. Now exactly waiting Nigerian police officer go talk with that. Mo will share the money. If you carry and take go the superior is going to keep the money and it's not going to give us. Something like that. That kind of mentality is what we are having in Nigeria, especially among our police officers. Everybody care about himself. Me to myself. Yeah, me alone. Thank God for Ghana. As I come Ghana, my mentality changed and I'm trying to extend. Yes, I'm trying to make my family members reason like me too. That's the reason why we always tell you, we sit here because we love you Nigerians. We always sit here and tell you guys with the Dikoko, this behavior is not good. The kind of mindset you grow up and you are having in your head, like all those things, it's not good. It's good to upgrade. When people are telling you, we, especially Nigerians living in Ghana, we are telling you what had, like this character, I mean, this thing that we adapt in Ghana, it helped us. It shaped us to who we are today. And as you can see, there's nobody that will come to Ghana as a Nigerian that is living right, that will not make it in this Ghana. I saw a video, I think, on one of the Nigerian YouTubers saying that, okay, I think it's in this girl's page. What's her name? Uncut with Uju. She was like saying that Nigerians living in Ghana are thanking Ghanaians for, or something like that, for making them, Ghana made them become rich, something like that. Hey, look at Nigerians. There's no Nigeria that is living right. Yes, that's a proof. What I just finished telling you is a proof to let you know that, see, any Nigerian that come to Ghana, any Nigerian that come to Ghana and is living right, that person will not go back home the same. And with the help of Ghanaians, they help their hands, they open their hands for us like this. Forget the online banter. These people, they love us. But sometimes they get shiri, and it's because of your character, our character in Ghana. That's why they treat us that way sometimes. So your police in Nigeria, can they do this? Me, I'm not saying all of this to bring Nigeria down. Well, no, we just want a better Nigeria. We just want a better Nigeria. Everything is on the internet. Oh my God, the way your police, like Nigerian police, are treating even normal civilians is something else. So do you think if they see this kind of money, they go return them to the person? They go say, nah, my luck. They go carry and share within themselves. If somebody can stand on the road and collect 200, that's like two cedis, not even up to 2 cedis. It's like 1 cedi something, and 45 or 50 or 70 pesos, something like that. It's not even, it cannot pass 70 pesos. Do you think the person will return it? Someone that is obviously begging on the street, because that one is begging. That one is begging now. The person will see 85,000 Ghana cedis. 85,000 Ghana cedis is like more than 85 million. 85 million, no. More than 85 million, if not around 100 million. They saw it and they returned it back. You as an individual, not even police, you as an individual in Nigeria, if you see something like this, would you carry and return it back to the owner? Let's do the right thing, no. Well done, guys. This is the news, and yeah, this is just what I have to say about this. But then we have reactions. Yeah, some Nigerians reacted to this same thing because, of course, they are shocked. This kind of thing is never seen in Nigeria. I don't know if it is there, or if it is there, you can let me know by sending the link of that video in the comment section, and I'll come back here and, applaud that police officer for doing that, because I've never seen. That's why I am here saying all of this. But if there is, it has happened before, bring it out. So guys, let's take a look at Nigerian reaction, about this whole thing. But before we watch, I would love to appreciate my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for always clicking in. And if you're new here, my name is Delphina. I'm super happy to have you here. Please don't make it your last by subscribing to the channel, like this video and share the video. Also do all to press the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop another one. Let's watch. Also do to press the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop another one. Let's watch.
Something happened in Ghana, February 14. On February 14, as you can see on your screen, Ghana police shocked the whole world. It shocked the whole world. I know say this go fit happen for many countries. It no go happen. According to the story, February 14, policemen just dey waka for as they go their daily activities. They see bag for along the road. At the end of the day, they open am. They see say na money bundle as they see for the screen. Na e dey inside. They can't open the bag, see everything wey e dey inside. They can't see number for the bag. They contact the number. Somebody come ask her. They ask a question. He reply. They invite her over for some investigation and clarification. He passed the exam. He passed the jam. As he passed the jam, they carry him money. They give her 1 piece. No comot. Hi. Money wey you see for road, not be say na person carry account say somebody money fall from car or anything. They see am for along the road. They carry a jejeje. They give the owner. Ghana police, why? You can't try this with my Nigeria police. 95% of my Nigeria police cannot even try this. They can't try this. They know something they talk. Na truth. They no go fit try am. Before you see Nigeria police wey get this kind of dignity, e go hard. Not be the same Nigeria police go even see money for person account. They will carry POS come withdraw the money. And we don't hear stories about Nigerian police where the, should I say some, because some of them are greedy, very greedy. They no enter police because of their salary. They enter police because they want to extract money from people. That some of 95% of Nigerian police, they are not there because they want to protect life and property. Ghana police, una too much. Una too much. This one is a great lesson for those wey e no get dignity. This kind of news, e go still change many people life. I know say some people no go like am o. When you go to go into the comment section of Ghana police wey dey post this thing, come and see comment. Some people say you are lucky say I no pass that road that day. Some people say na promotion na Ghana police dey find. Some people say hi, una too do o, una too do. If somebody post something you no get wetin you wan comment, you no go just pass instead of you to dey draw comment wey you no even follow road. See, nothing like you have dignity. Your money na your money. If they take this money, if you change this currency now to Nigerian money, you see say na about 10 million naira. 10 million. Nigerian police go see am, you go say make e pass am by, make e go dey call number wey dey write put for bag. Na well for you o. Well done. Ghana police, fire there pa, fire there.
Greetings everybody. Guys, videos have been going viral about Burkina, most especially the recent incident that happened about the Ghana tomato seller that were ambushed by the terrorists in the northern Burkina. And some people are, trying to drop some nasty comments and tell me you are not saying anything. Don't you see what happened to Ghanaians? And what the government of Burkina do to the Ghanaians? Like, some people sometimes when they carry their phone, they drop their brain. They will hold their phone, but their brain is on the table. So they are typing their phone without their brain. What happened to the people, the seller from Ghana, is very horrible and it's a tragic news. And it's sad. It can even cause some issue between two countries. But you all can see that Burkina government have been fighting against terror for a very long time. And up to now, they are not backing down. They are not backing down because they know this guy, they can never negotiate with them. They don't want to negotiate. These people, they want more. They want more. They have been roaming around disturbing the peace of the country. Just because the government of Burkina pushed them hard this moment, they push them out, remove some territory from them. So they go and ambush some market women. They unalive some men, and the one who refused to open the door, they put fire and then, This is not done by Burkina government. This is not done by Burkina military. This is done by the terror, the unwanted children in West Africa. And a lot of people have been sending me the same video, some of this video like this. Allahu Akbar. Okay. Allahu Akbar. People send me this video too. I'm very sorry I'm not recording this moment because my phone is very bad. So, but because people are sending too much video message, that is why I said let me just manage. The camera is not clear. Now, these guys are going everywhere, destroying the government property, and they are shouting Allahu Akbar. These are the same guys who go and do this bad incident to the Ghanaian market women. I know the government of Burkina is on them, and the way they are even doing them right now, they are roasting them like a roasted chicken. Maybe the video cannot be able to be posted on media. This is a silent game the government is playing with them. They are roasting them. Before, when something happened, when they go and bombard them, they will say, they will look them by their face and know this is from where, this is from where. But right now, when they drop it on them, they will roast. They will roast like a chicken. You will not even know where they are coming from. So that's why nobody will say, Ibrahim is killing these people. Ibrahim is going after this community. You will not even know their face. You will not know them. That is number one. We are very sorry for what happened to the Ghana market women. Nobody is happy about it. And everybody dropping nasty comments to keep it to themselves. Because this is a hard moment for the Burkina and the Ghana people. Because Ghanaians lost their citizen. But this is the reason why sometimes I said the problem of Burkina is supposed to be the problem of West Africa, even if they are not using the same organization. Because right now, Ghanaians lost their life. Now, in the northern Burkina, in the north, and it has always been the north having problem, not Mali, not Benin, northern Nigeria, not Burkina. The north, and there are these same particular people who are always sitting in the north. Go and find out. The government, the West African people need to come together and solve this problem together. West Africa need to come together and make sure they solve this terror together. I don't know what they are thinking. Hey, Nigeria is losing citizens. Nigeria is losing millions. Nigeria is losing their citizens. Togo is losing the same thing. Benin are losing citizens. Burkina is losing citizens. Mali, the same thing. Now Ghana are losing their citizens. And there is no any terror group that is based in Ghana. Just only those one that are making galamsey, you know. That one is a terrorist against the living of the country, not terror, you know, against the government. But now this is supposed to be a wake-up deal for everybody that all West Africa need to close their border and let us fight this fight together and bring peace and stability to every country. Because every country deserves peace. And nobody is supposed to negotiate with terror. Nigeria is powerful with their military. Other nations have military. Let West Africa bring their soldiers together and solve this problem once and for all. If Africa Union don't want to say anything, West African community should do something about this thing. Because West Africa is losing too much people. No progress. Economic instability. No peace. Hey. This is no longer Burkina problem, you know, because what if somebody's, you know, this is supposed to be a problem of West Africa. Because enough of this nonsense these boys are doing, these small boys, where they mistakenly give them ammunition. But the government is on them. And they will say the last time that ending of this year, they are going to make sure there will be no T group again. And they are working on it. Don't see what people are saying on media, eh? The fire is doing this. The government is roasting them like a roasted chicken. Maybe you will not know. Those who know. As those who see the video, see. You understand? But the government is on them. And very soon their family member will start crying on media. Ibrahim is doing this to our people. Ibrahim is doing this to our community. Give them time. You will see them crying on media. Because I see some videos. I see some pictures. We listen, we don't judge. Because if you commit crime, you will see what you are supposed to see. If you don't want to live peaceful like other people, then you don't deserve peace. You don't.